Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to start investing using the Investmate free investment course app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Investmate app. And when you open it, it's going to open up the homepage where are your lessons and your quizzes. And the second icon on the bottom is going to be your investment page, where you will receive this fictional wallet with $10,000 and you can start trading with it. This is not real money, as you can see. It tells you if you somehow thought that you just received $10,000 for free. So yeah, and from here you can start trading, and you can train yourself to trade, and when you are confident you can start doing it in the real life. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.